Alright, today we're going to talk about addition of integers. So first, we're going to model addition of integers. So I got the problem -5 plus 2. So on a number line, you're always going to start at 0 and go to wherever your first digit is. So my first digit there is -5. So I'm going to go all the way to -5. And then I'm going to add 2. Well, adding a positive 2 is going to the right 2 places. So I'm going to go to the right 2 places and end up at -3. So -5 plus 2 is -3. Alright, so let's do another modeling one. So again, always start at 0 and go to your first digit, which is 4. So I'm going to go from 0 to a positive 4. And then I'm adding -6. So I have to go in a negative direction, which is to the left, 6 places. So I go 4, 5, 6, and I end up at -2. So 4 plus -6 is -2. Alright, so we did a couple models, and if you still need to use a number line, that's fine. But I'm going to do a couple without a number line. So I have -2 plus 5. So this is like saying I owe $2 to somebody, and I have $5. So I'm going to pay him the $2, and then what do I have left over? After paying $2 out, I would have $3 left over. So -2 plus 5 would be +3. So next I have 2 plus -5. So that's like saying I have $2, but I owe somebody 5. So if I pay them the $2, I'm still going to owe them $3. So that would be a -3. So if you notice, if you add a negative and a positive, sometimes your answer is positive, sometimes your answer is negative. It just depends which value or which number has the greater absolute value. So if the negative has a greater absolute value, then your answer is going to be negative. If the positive has a greater absolute value, then you're going to have a positive. Now if you're adding two negatives, that's like saying I borrowed, well, -3 plus -4 is like saying I borrowed $3 to buy something, and then I borrowed another $4. So how much do I owe? I owe $7. So that would be a -7. Same thing on the next one. I got -6 plus -2. So I owe my mom $6 and I owe my dad $2. So how much do I owe? I owe $8. Alright, so let's look at one involving temperature. So looking at that thermometer there, I can see that it is between -4 and -6 degrees outside. So that would make it -5 degrees is what it currently is. And then it says the temperature will rise 7 degrees Celsius today. So that's going to be -5 plus 7. So what's the temperature going to be today? So I'm going to go up 7 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I get to a +2. So that's kind of using the model to get there. You can also think -5 plus 7. So you take the -5 and 5 from the 7. And what's left over? You have 2 left over. Well, we'll get into that another day. I'll show you another method to do integers in another video.